In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group blocks in Notion. Notion's flexibility makes it a powerful tool for organizing and structuring your information, and understanding how to effectively group blocks can really enhance your workflow. Let's start by opening your Notion workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to organize your information. If you're starting from scratch, you can simply open a new page. Now, on this page, you'll likely have a variety of blocks. These can be text, images, databases, or even a mix of different elements. The first thing you want to do is select the blocks you wish to group. Click and drag your cursor over the blocks. You'll notice that as you highlight, the blocks change color to show they've been selected. This visual cue helps ensure you've selected exactly what you need. If you're working on a large project, grouping related blocks can help reduce visual clutter and make your content easier to navigate. Next, with your blocks selected, look out for the menu that appears either on the top or the side of the blocks. Depending on your platform, this may appear differently, so keep an eye out. In that menu, there should be an option to group the selected blocks. Once you've clicked on it, the blocks will automatically be grouped together in a toggle list. Grouping blocks in this way allows you to easily collapse and expand sections of your page. This is especially useful if you're working on a lengthy document, as it keeps everything compact and buttoned up. Whenever you want to access the contents of your grouped blocks, you can simply click to expand them. If ever you need to ungroup the blocks for any reason, perhaps for a different layout or to rearrange the elements, you can do so by clicking on the toggle to expand, then selecting the grouped blocks again. Look for the option in the menu that says Ungroup. By clicking that, the blocks will go back to their original form, laid out on the page individually. It's worth noting that, within this grouped set of blocks, you can still individually edit each block. You can add more content, change formatting, or even move blocks within the group. This retains the flexibility of editing without losing the organizational benefit of grouping. As a tip for keeping organized, make sure to label your grouped blocks with a descriptive title. This serves as a reminder of what content is contained within each group when you come back to revisit your page later. Now that you're familiar with grouping, you can use it effectively to streamline your Notion pages, whether you're crafting a personal to-do list or organizing a complex project. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you maintain a more organized workspace in Notion.